Now self practice 3D. In this third question, 4225 soldiers are arranged in different rows so that there are as many rows as the number of soldiers in a row. Find the number of rows. So it means it is a square type of a square term. Here this is called the row, sleeping line. This is called the row. So here army people are standing. Okay. So it means if here 8 members means the number of row also 8. In one row 8 people are standing. In one row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In one row 8 people are standing means how many count? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rows, this is a count of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rows also 8. Okay, rows also 8 or column also 8. And the number of people standing here also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a square form, right? This is a square form. Same. Rows also X and number of soldiers also, number of soldiers in a row is X. And number of row also same value. Here we can write number of soldiers equal number of rows in a number of rows equal number of soldiers in a row. Both are same value. Both are X. So here it है written number of rows. कितने number rows है means sleeping line कितने हैं. So एक line पे अब कितने soldiers है उतने ही rows है, lines है. For example, 8 soldiers or army people standing in a line. So 8 means 8 lines also drawn. 8 lines are. So it is a pattern, some pattern. So rows and number of rows is equal to number of soldiers in a row. Both are same. Number of soldiers and rows are same here. So rows into soldiers is after multiplication we get 4225, that is given in the question. Total number of soldiers 4225, that is given in the question. So we can write rows into soldier equal 4225. Both are same value. If here 8 means this is also 8, that is example. So x into x and written 4225. X into x is x square equal 4225. Now x equal square root of 4225. So we have to find the square root by long division method. So here now we have to find the square root of this number by long division method. That is easy, I think. So for 4225, first step is group from right side. 5 2 is a one group, 2 4 is a one group. It means 42 is one group and 25 is one group. Now check in a square number nearer to 42. 5 5 are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. 49 we can't take greater than this. So we can take 6 6 are 36 and try. Minus. So 2 minus 6 we can subtract. So borrow 1 here. It become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now here 4 will become 3 because he gave 1 to his friend. 3 minus 3 is 0. 25. That is a subtraction method. If near unknown with the subtraction, so I explain detail. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now with 12 any number and multiply with the same number to get square number. So with 12 any number, guessing number, multiply with the same number. So we can say, look at here the 5. 5 is a it's a perfect square, so we get the same 625. 12 के साथ कुछ number or multiply with the same number, so that after multiplying we will get 625. In square number where we get 5 in one's place, 5 5s are 25. So we will try with 12, this 12, 5 into 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry, 5 ends are 5 plus 1, 625. 625, here minus symbol, 0. This 5 we have to write once here and this 5 we have to write top. So answer is x is equal to plus or minus 625. Answer is plus or minus 25. 4225 square root is 65. So we have to write x is equal to plus or minus 65. 65 this answer. So here find the number of rows. Therefore the number of rows is equal to 65 we can write. Therefore number of rows equal to 65. Therefore answer is the number of rows equal to 65. The square root of 4225 answer. Second, fourth question. A gardener plants 3364 trees in such a way that there are as many rows as there are trees in a row. Find the number of trees in a row. Means if a gardener, this is a garden, means these are rows. Sleeping line are called the rows. Okay, these are rows. If here trees planted here. Okay, trees are planted here. How many trees are one in one row? एक रो पे कितने trees है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trees है. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows भी चाहिए. So कितने trees है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trees है. उतने ही lines भी चाहिए हमको. So this pattern पे a gardener यहाँ भी plant. So okay, here also they planted. So here's total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trees, coconut tree. So here also 7 line, 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5th, 6th, 7, and totally 7 rows. And this is also x and this is also x, both are same value. In question it is mentioned that number of rows and number of trees in a row are same. So we can write that number of rows equal number of trees. So we can write number of trees is equal to number of rows. So here total number of trees, it is given in the question 3364. So number of rows is equal to number of trees in a row. So how many lines are there and how many trees in each one line? Both are same. So we can say this is x, rows is x, and number of trees in one row is also x. Rows into trees equal 3364. So total trees कितने garden लेके हुआ है 3364. So rows into trees 3364. So x into both are same value. If here 5 means here also 5. For example, okay, x into x equal 3364. So x into x is x square is equal to 3364. X equals square root of 3364. Now we have to find the square root of this number. Now we have to find the square root of 3364. That you know, I think. Okay. First method is group from right side. 64 is one group, 33 is one group. Check the square numbers. 5 5 are 25, 6 6 are 36. 36 is greater than 6. This, so we can take 5 5 are 25 minus. Okay. Now 3 minus 5 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from here. So it becomes 13 and this will become 2. Friends say borrow karna hai. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now here 3 is become now 2 because he 3 gave 1 to his friend. 2 minus 2 is 0. 64 we can take. So it is a means subtraction. And here plus symbol, same number we have to add, plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So here with 10 any number and multiply with the same number. With 10 any number multiply with the same number. With 10 look at this last number. This is a perfect square. After multiplying we have to get this number. 2 means 102 into 2 is we will get 200 and change. 2 2s are 4 we get in ones place 4. Then 8 8s are 64 पे भी 4 last ones place पे है. So we can take 8 and check. 8 8s are 64 6. 8 0s are 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 1s are 8. So here minus 8 6 4. 0. This 8 we have to write here and 1s here. So answer is x is equal to plus or minus 58. X is equal to plus or minus 58. This is the answer. So here what they ask, find the number of trees. Find the number of trees in a row. So therefore number of trees in a row is 58. Therefore number of trees in a row is 58. Square root of that number. Here it means number of trees. That question is over. Fifth question. A club collected rupees 7,225. A charitable club collected rupees 7,225 for a charity. Okay, to donation. Each member contributed as many rupees as there were number of members. So कितने members है उतने ही पैसे collect हुआ है. So total amount is 7,225. For club, how many number does the club have? So it means number of members and the one person contribution are same, both are same. So here total amount contributed is 7,225. We have this much of amount. Number of member in a club is same and money contributed by each member. कितने members है और cash collected by one person or same amount. Both are x and x. So we can say x into x equals 7,225 total amount. X square equals 7,225. So x equals square root of 7,225. Now we have to find the square root of this number. Means last 25 is 1 group and 72 is 1 group. Now check which square number nearer to 72. 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. 81 we can't take. So 8 8s are 64 minus here. So 2 minus 4 we can't, borrow 1, so it becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 8. 7 becomes 6 now. 1 is he gave here, no? So 6 minus 6 is 0. 25 down. With 8, same 8 we have to add. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now with 16 any number, multiply with the same number. So we have to get 825. To check that, last number we have to check 5. So with 16, check 5 in square number where we get in ones place 5 5 is a 25. So check 5 only. 5 5 write 5. 5 5 is a 25. 2 carry. 5 6 are 30. 32 means 3 carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 825 minus 0 here. This 5 we have to write here and this 5 we have to write here. So answer is x is equal to plus or minus 85 is the answer. So what question is asked here? How many numbers does the club have? How many members does the club have? Therefore 85 members. Number of members in a club. Number of members is equal to 85. Members in the club is 85 is the answer.